Hi, welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching. Feel free, feel comfortable, feel at home. Disclaimers: I'm not a professional financial advisor. There are probable risks and probable gains by doing stock trading and investment in stock market. Please do your own diligence. You are responsible to your self-action. You may hear words and see actions against general views and not recommended for general viewers. Parental guidance are advised. By the way, I removed the music in this video to avoid copyright. Thanks for watching. First of all, I have so many things and heard about stock market. Ano ba ito? Gusto ko malaman ano ito para malaman natin ano nga ba ang stock market. What is stock market? The stock market consists of primary market in which businesses first issue shares to investors and secondary market in which investors trade shares. The stock market is the broad term of the network of exchanges and over-the-counter venues where investors buy and sell shares in publicly traded companies through trusted brokerage firm in that particular country, state, or location. Ngayon, alam na natin kung ano ang stock market. Paano kung Pilipino ako? Saan ako mag-invest? Meron kayang pag-iinvestan dito sa Pilipinas? Paano ito? What is the stock market in the Philippines? The stock market in the Philippines is PSEI, the Philippines Stock Exchange Index. Ngayon, alaman naman natin ang history ng PSEI, kung paano ito nabuo at kung saan ito matatagpuan ngayon. Where do we can find PSEI? The PSEI is the National Stock Exchange of the Philippines. The exchange was created in 1992 by the merger of the Manila Stock Exchange and Makati Stock Exchange, including previous forms. The exchange has been in operation since 1927. Meron lang akong tanong. Ano nga ba ang market capitalization ng PSEI at ano-ano ang mga data na nakaugnay sa kanya? What is the market capital of PSEI? The market capital of PSEI is 16.74 trillion pesos. If we will convert it in US dollar, it will become 302.6 billion US dollars.
Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa takeaway sa ating topic. Ano ang mga takeaway sa ating topic?
What are the takeaways? Ano nga ba ang mga takeaways dito sa topic natin? First, the company can issue shares on stock market to raise capital and expand their business. Second, to have secondary market. Third, investors may buy shares to receive dividends, vote in corporate elections, and sell shares at the highest price. Fourth, the stock market can be accessed by investors and traders through the most trusted brokerage firm.
Ganun pala yun. Ngayon, meron akong tanong bago tayo maghiwa-hiwalay sa oras na ito. Ano ang pinaka-most trusted firm dito sa Pilipinas? Paano ako magkakaroon ng account na ito? Yan ang aalamin natin sa susunod na video. Salamat po. Nawaan na unawaan nyo ang ating topic. Hi! Share your thoughts. Comment down below about your thinking on this topic, on my content. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.